Ukudiliva ukudla ngeenthuthuthu indlela amalangala khulukhulu kulabo abanganankoloyi. Ukuya ngokwanda kwendlela yokuthenga ukudla ngama-app ekukhuphuke khulu ngesikhathi se-COVID-19 kudose nenilelesi. Sekunobungozi kulabo abakudilivako. Ungazimba wamhlapha nje upheze wabulawa ngemva kokusahlelwa ngesihluku.
Once I have been robbed and they stabbed me and I spent 3 weeks on hospital.
Omunye umshayeli odiliva ukuthi zithuwelele khulu-ke lezi zehlakalo. Uthi nanyana kunjalo abashayeli abaningi abazibiki ngoba abasabukulahlekelwa umsebenzi. Ngasikhathi inilelesi ziqothela khulu nabathengi.
What they are looking for is money and their cell phones. You understand? So they normally do that. But now the thing has changed. You understand? They are also targeting, our consumers. You understand? They can follow you. Then after you're about to drop off, when the customer comes out, then they enter the premises.
Isazi ngevikeleko uvele emzayimani novela kwa voice alert ukhombela umphakathi bona ubuthathele ehloko lobubulelesi ngombana umuntu ngamngenela nangekhaya buchiya isibibithwana. Uthi ngengikhathi ezinobungozi ukutsheja khulu kodwa kwaneli kodwana nokuba nelwazi ngezokuphepha ngakusindisa. Usayimani uthi kulesi sibalo siphezulu kangaka enaheni le umuntu ngamsiza ukukampela umzakhe ngetechnology efaneleko.
There's a lot of other equipments that we do have for immediate reaction. But the two most important steps to me is early warning system, that you can be aware the person is here, and immediate reaction.
Nakusenjalo Amapholisa nengikhampani zabo gadza kule ndawo baba abahlali benaga lebona batsheje khulu nabe ukuthatha ukudla bakulethelwa khona egeni khulukhulu nakusebusuku.